Hello students. Next example, consider the 2 5 encoding function E defined as follows. E of 0 0 equal to 5 times 0, E of 0 1 equal to 0 1 1 0 1, E of 1 0 equal to 1 0 0 1 1, E of 1 1 equal to 4 times 1 0. Construct the decoding table using cosets. Let n equal to code words 5 times 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 4 times 1 0 is the subgroup of b raised to 5. Now consider or let y belongs to b raised to 5 such that y does not belongs to n, also y has minimum weight. Here 1 0 0 0 0 does not belongs to n, so take y equal to 1 0 0 0 0. Now compute y ring sum n means 1 0 0 0 ring sum n is 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1 4 times 1 0. Add y in each element of this set, we get 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 0. Now note that b raised to 5 contains 2 raised to 5 elements. b raised to 5 contains 2 raised to 5 elements, out of which we have now listed only 8 in the sets n. Here 4 elements, here also 4 elements, means we have now listed only 8 elements. Again take y such that y does not belongs to n, also y ring sum n, means take y equal to 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 does not belongs to this set, also does not belongs to this set. Again count y ring sum n 0 1 0 0, n is this set, then y ring sum n we get 0 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 1 0 1 1 0. We continue this process till all 2 raised to 5 equal to 32 elements get covered in the table. Here y set, y ring sum n, also y ring sum n. These 3 sets, first 2 and third set we write here. Next take y belongs to b raised to 5 such that y does not belongs to these 3 rows. We get 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 1 0. This is the y ring sum n. Now take 0 0 1 0 which does not belongs to these 4 rows and add in n set we get this row. Similarly, for about 0 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0. Next sub question. Also, this column is nothing but the column of coset leaders. Column of coset leaders. Next example. Using the decoding table font in the above example, means previous example, decode the received word 11101. Solution. Let xt equal to 11101. Now locate xt in the above table, decoding table. 1101 occurs in second row and second column, means xt in the table which occurs in second row and second column Now the word at the top of the second column is 01101. The word at the top of the second column is 01101, and we know that by definition of encoding function E of 01 equal to 01101. E of 01 equal to 01101. So we decode 11101 as 01. Here first xt is given number or given code word 11101. Next observe xt in the decoding table. It occurs in second row and second column. Now observe the topmost element of the second column is nothing but the 01101, and by definition of encoding function means in example given function E, also these code words E of 01 equal to 01101. So here we get E of 01 equal to 01101. Therefore we decode 11101 as 01. Next example. Let H equal to 4/2 matrix 11101001 be a parity check matrix. Decode the following word relative to a maximum likelihood decoding function 0101. First, given H equal to 11101001, EH mapping B2 to B4. Here the number of columns, here the number of rows. EH mapping B2 to B raised to 4. So code word is in the form of B2 means 2 copies of B, B1, B2. Here B raised to 4 means 4 copies of B. Here already 2 are written. Remaining 2 are nothing but the x1, x2 belongs to B raised to 4. x star h equal to b1 b2 x1 x2, h is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 equal to 0. So from x star h equal to 0 we get two equations by multiplying these two matrix. b1 plus b2 plus x1 equal to 0. Next equation b1 plus x2 equal to 0, which implies x1 equal to b1 plus b2 and x2 equal to b1. Two copies of b is nothing but the set of 0 0 1 0 0 1 1 1. b square contains 2 raised to 2 elements, means 4 number of elements. Next, compute e of 0 0, e of 1 0, e of 0 1, e of 1 1. We have x equal to b1 b2 x1 x2. So e of 0 0 is 0 0. Next x1 is b1 plus b2 0, x2 is b1 0. Next e of 1 0 1 0 1 1. Next e of 0 1 equal to 0 1 1 0. E of 1 1 equal to 1 1 0 1. Therefore n nothing but the set of code words. These are the code words. 4 times 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Again write n. 4 times 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1. Now we construct decoding table y belongs to b raised to 4 such that y does not belongs to n. Take y equal to 1 0 0 0 and then compute wiring sum n. We get 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1. Continuing in this way, if you don't understand, so take y belongs to b raised to 4, y does not belongs to n, also does not belongs to wiring sum n. So take y equal to 0 1 0 0. 0 1 0 0 does not belongs to these two set and then compute wiring sum n. We get 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. Again take y belongs to b raised to 4 such that y does not belongs to n. Give as 1 2 3. Y does not belongs to n, also 2 3 number of sets. Therefore take y equal to 0 0 0 1, because if we take here 0 0 1 0 but 0 0 1 0 belongs to this set, that's why y equal to 0 0 0 1 we take. Therefore wiring sum n equal to 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0 0. Now decoding table is b raised to 4 contains 2 raised to 4 number of elements, means 16 number of elements. Here we calculate 16 elements. 4 4 4 4 4 into 4 16. So decoding table is, first write n elements 0 0 0 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 0 1 1 next 0 1 0 0 1 1 next 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. This is nothing but the decoding table. The coset leaders are nothing but the first column of the decoding table. Now compute coset leaders. Now compute the syndromes of the coset leaders For this we calculate x star h. First take x equal to, take first code word 0 0 0, x star h equal to x is 0 0 0 4 times, next h is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Multiply these two matrix, we get 0 0. Now if we take x equal to 1 0 0 0, so x star h equal to 1 0 0 0 star h is 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Multiply these two matrix, we get 1 1. Again calculate for x equal to 0 1 0 0 and x equal to 0 0 0 1, because we take x as a coset leader. First we take 0 0 0, then 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So syndrome table is nothing but the syndromes. Next coset leader. Syndrome is 0 0 and corresponding element is nothing but your coset leader. 0 4 times 0, next 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 3 times 0 1. Now given xt is an example 0 1 0 1. Take xt equal to 0 1 0 1. Compute xt star h. Xt is 0 1 0 1 star h is given h matrix 1 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Multiply these two matrix, we get 1 1. Now in syndrome table 1 1 here and corresponding element is, means your coset leader is 1 0 0 0. This is your epsilon. So syndrome is 1 1, which implies epsilon equal to 1 0 0 0. Therefore x equal to xt ring sum epsilon. Xt is 0 1 0 1, ring sum epsilon is 1 3 times 0. Now add these two matrix with corresponding entries, we get 1 1 0 1. Therefore from definition of encoding function, we get E of 1 1 equal to 1 1 0 1. Hence the word decoded word is 11. here 1101, and from definition we get